back to Toys channel everyone, and in front of me I have got 4 boxes of the What If Cosbaby by Hot Toys. The Supreme Doctor Strange here, and then it's the Demon Hunter, Spider-Man, it should be Zombie Hunter. On the left I have got the Captain Britain, i.e. Captain Carter here on the top, and then down at the bottom is Party Thor. So there's quite a lot of What If merch in front of me, not just Cosbabies. Actually, I've also opened up a full box of the Lego What If figurines, so you can also check out that video down here in the link below. As always, please remember to like the like button and subscribe to my channel for more stuff like this, Marvel, Hot Toys, Demon Slayer vlog, etc. Right guys, let's have a look at the box first. Similar to the Zombie Hunter Spider-Man, this transparent piece has this kind of rainbowy effect, so it's to do with the finishing of the plastic, and it looks brilliant, especially with the What If theme. And at the top left hand side there is the logo there, and at the bottom we see this label Captain Carter, and right in the middle we've got the fantastic figure there, and also it's complemented with these honeycomb motifs. So you've got these reflective burgundy one at the top right hand corner, some printed on the cardboard. Similar to the Spider-Man one, I like this motif better on the cardboard because there is a lot of things going on, including better graphics, color wise, etc. And on the right hand side we have got a fantastic illustration of Captain Carter's Cosbaby form, and it looks so good because of the head sculpt, gesture, and the facial expression. I just like this figure as a whole, that's why I got it. At the back there's the usual caution and warning signs, nothing much, and also here just the Cosbaby bubble head. Also this one differs quite a bit from the Spider-Man one. It follows suit with the character's trait in terms of color theme. With Captain Carter, it's all in blue, of course being her uniform in blue, as well as the primary color complemented by a little bit of red and white because of the Union Jack. And at the top we see What If, the logo, and also this part shines with the rainbow motif similar to the front, so basically it's all around the plastic part. And let's get opening. Back of the box, similar to the Spider-Man one, there's Captain Carter's Union Jack, shield at the back. Let's go through the head sculpt first. So as you can see, the hair is very distinct to Captain Carter. I really like the curves because it's so distinct to this character, and also not just the front but also the back part here as well. So it's pretty nicely sculpted as a whole, and this part on the right just curls the back, similar to how we've seen her ever since the first Captain America movie in the MCU. And also the other sides of the hair sculpt is pretty nicely sculpted as well. I really like it. And in terms of the facial expression, you can see that it's Peggy Carter already, as the brows and eyes and the kind of small grin. Love the iris. You can see it's brown complemented by a bit of maroon at the bottom of the iris, so that's pretty cool. And again with the grin, I like this, and also with the lipstick, as you can see it's kind of glossy with the white, showing the glossiness of the lips is pretty great as well. So overall, I think the head sculpt in terms of facial physique as well as the hair sculpt is pretty on point. It's pretty incredible what they've done here on this Cosbaby. And also moving down, let's go to shield first. So there is the Union Jack right in the middle. And although there is some flaws with the printing, not a lot, but some overboard, but understanding this printing is quite complex, well, I certainly hope they've tried their best. But nonetheless, it's a nice shield. For the suit itself, let's go through the torso first. You can see the Union Jack at her chest area and also elongated down to the waist area. And this is kind of symbiotic to how Captain America's suit looks like at the waist area, just with the different color arrangements. And also she's got this belt with a few pouches here and there, and even the pouches has these kind of buttons, and it looks pretty good, including the belt as well, nicely sculpted. And in terms of the arm with the glove, I like the simple sculpt here, and the color job is on point with the dark brown. And also with the subtle red line here, I quite like. It gives that kind of modern feeling to the suit itself, and this transcends on the inner side of this right arm as well. And let's move on to the bottom. Her pants has also got this motif with the red lines as well as the black, and also with the boots in dark brown, both of them. And I think it's quite a simple sculpt, as in the gesture is quite simple as well. I think it's quite a nice gesture that she's kind of pulling off here, so it's pretty nice. And let's move on to the back side. On the back, you see the usual straps here, similar to how we've seen Captain America's in the many figures that we've seen before. And also for the back of the thigh area, you get this kind of white running down to this area above the bum, and also the red and black linings as well. And we can also see the boots here, some great details sculpted as well. And let's move on to the base. It's just a simple base, red, what if, and also this can be taken apart and assembled depending on your preference. Bigger base if you combine it with the smaller piece, or otherwise you can just have the smaller piece out. And it's fairly simplistic, not a lot to go through here. Also at the bottom you get the usual Hot Toys and copyright, trademark, etc. So that's pretty much it for the figure. And also one thing to mention is that the shield can be taken off, so it's pretty cool. You can now actually see her side of the arm, for the right arm at least, so you can clip this shield on her as such. I quite like Cosbabies that can drop that, so let's secure it. I quite like Cosbabies that have these kind of additional parts that can be taken off, so you don't have this permanent gesture, so it kind of spice things up a little. And also with the wobbleness, it's quite heavy, it's quite big, and it's quite limiting in terms of the hair being blocked out by the shoulder areas, so it doesn't wobble too much, as well as the arm gesture for the right arm. But I mean, it is a nice figure, and you hardly will want your Cosbabies to wobble too much anyways, unless you put it in a car, which I'm sure most of you don't anyways, but it's just a personal thing. I like to keep all mine at the back of the desk so you guys can see it as well. But nonetheless, I really like this figure. There isn't too much flaws in terms of damage areas or overprints or coloring overboard, or even the smudges that we've seen on the Zombie Hunter Spider-Man one. Right guys, so what do you think of the What If Cosbaby figures? Comment down below and let me know, and as always, please kindly like the like button and subscribe to my channel for more Hot Toys, Marvel, vlogs, Pokemon, stuff that I like, stuff that I do. Please check out my other videos as well on my channel. Hope you have a good time here, and I'll see you guys next time. Stay safe and see ya!